All right, family, YouTube family, we are here at Rodman Campground, which is by Ocala, on Thanksgiving Day. Very nice campground. This is right at the beginning. This is campground 4. Got the tent up. It's gonna be a beautiful night today. Cool afternoon. Anything in the 50s. Tomorrow it's gonna be in the 40s. Should be nice. I got it, you know, since my cart is always evolving. I have a couple new things that I have. Actually, you see one right now. It's a little solar power LED lights. It's about 16 foot long. It's made by Lucy, that's what it's called, Lucy. Solar string lights. Bought a new axe. Mounted it there, Gerber. Let's see, mounted this fire extinguisher, mounted it there just because obviously we do cooking right here. Mounted it there, quick release, you pull here. One hand, actually with 2 hands, and then this just pops right out very quick. Very quick. You guys saw this on my short video. Come over here. Zip this up. Took the air mattresses away from last time and just got 2 cots. Fit in here perfect in the annex room for the boys. Let's see. The dog gets to have new bowls too. Bought this at Walmart. This area rug. We come in here to the fire pit side. We're gonna sit around here later on. And what we're cooking is chicken breasts and wings wrapped in bacon. So those are going real nice right now. I'm gonna start doing the sides later. Let that cook real good. It's a really big campsite. I mean, we got a lot of room over here. Comes with, you know, picnic tables. And then we have this solar lamp. I forget what it's called. I don't know, the UFO lamp is made by CVT. And it's solar. Has the solar on top. And this is for USBs. Charge your phone. Has Bluetooth that comes out. Bluetooth speaker. Individual lamps that pop out as well. Turn them on. 3 different lighting options. Also has strobe, and you can also, geez, it's very hard to do this one here, but you can also hang it, which I will take advantage of that later on for inside of our tent. And this goes up to about, I think it's 9 feet high. It says, no, not 9, yeah, 9 feet, or 8 feet, 8 feet high. Just goes pretty high, illuminates everything. Something that when I was buying and looking at different reviews, they don't show this part here on the YouTube videos. So this is a nut. It unscrews and holds everything together, this bottom piece here. And then this is to hold weight on it. You can put a little weight bag, sandbag, just hold this. It also gives you a place to stake it down. Real good lamp. It's gonna be awesome to see it at night. I'll take more videos at night. Yep. Keep it posted. Alright, we are coming out of our campsites, 1 through, I think it's 1 through 5. Looking that way, you see my tent right there next to the big rig. These sites are powered and have water. But just beyond here, everything back here, there's a loop that goes in there, and those are all primitive, which we're going to check out for next time we come down here. I'm definitely going to come back down here. But since it is by Ocala, there is bears around here that we have to take into account. So right now my wife's throwing some garbage away there, but there is a bear proof garbage can a little further up. So these are the restrooms here, very clean. This side I won't take a video of it, somebody else did it. You can check out their video. And so we're walking down where they launch the boats. So this is Rodman Campground, is a dam, and it has, I guess, one of the best fishing for those who I think fish bass. And there's a lot of people come down here and fish, so it's pet friendly. So you see my dogs here with me, and a lot of alligators who want to come out here and see them. Yeah, hopefully at night no bears, because I don't want to see them, but there are. That's the bear proof one over here. So our food we got to throw around this side. See that boat all the way over there, and I could hear it, but it's just going crazy over there. I don't know if it's a jet ski. So it actually has some of the, it says caution to boaters, watch for manatees, so maybe we'll see some manatees today. On that sign. Let's look over here. Okay. Statewide largemouth bass regulation. Legal to keep 1 greater than 16. Legal to keep any size large bass less than 16. So you get to keep 1 big one, the rest small. And then obviously, because we live in Florida, they forgot to put the one for the snakes, also the rattlesnakes. But assume that every waterway has a gator. I'm talking about even man-made ones, as they find their way to them. Alright. Look at this beautiful, beautiful sight. There's all these pavilions here that are accessible for the handicap, wheelchair accessible. You go right into the entranceway here to get over to the lake or river. It's a river. You have the seating area here for your the fire pit there for night with some marshmallows. That's where you dock or unload. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. So we got some sides going on. We're boiling up some macaroni for Cracker Barrel mac and cheese, white mac and cheese, which is going to be awesome. There's some stovetop turkey, a lot of butter in there. And some cranberry jelly. My wife doesn't want to be in the video, so she's actually, every time I'm turning, she's turning right behind me. She's turning right behind me. So I know it's a mess right now. That doesn't belong there. She's throwing junk on here. But this is kind of how I don't think I showed this last time. So I keep my utensils on the first drawer, along with some of the big stuff. My, actually, where's my, I'm missing some stuff in there. But, you know, my cheese grater and stuff to clean the iron pans, skillets. I'm gonna use that tomorrow to cook some steaks. My plates, porcelain. All look good. We had it here the whole time. The cheese. Here they are. That's oil. I put oil on them, that way it keeps it from rusting. Cooking oil. And that's it for now. Some butter in there. We go over here. The turkey wrapped in bacon is going good. Just one of the breasts needs a little more. You want cheese, Sada? Come, Sada. A dog barks at every single dog that passes by, and she gets very aggressive, but she's not aggressive at all. She just actually wants to play with them. Oh. And that's it. Keep you guys posted. Yummy Thanksgiving. Yummy Thanksgiving. Yummy Thanksgiving. She doesn't want me to record her. It's doing good. Pet kids haven't left the inside of the annex. They're just gonna come out and eat and go in there all on their phones. There's actually no service here, so all they're doing is they downloaded movies. They're watching movies. I'm like, really guys, you could just hang out here. But that's normal. Typical. Typical. Turkey's almost ready. Literally almost. And it's pretty much done. Just waiting on the sides. And we get the feast. Alright. Said I'll do a video about the lamp while it's on, how much it brightens up. I must admit it's pretty bright. So it's kind of hard, but it's actually decent. And I guess the higher I go here, the more it covers. But I could dim them. Take this slower. Turn these off. I could just leave it like that. A little less light. Alright, YouTube family. This is the morning after Thanksgiving. My wife and I just got up to start preparing breakfast for the kids. She's gonna do some, because she's very cold, very chilly morning. So we're gonna start by doing some hot cocoa, which she's grating over there. Started a fire to keep us warm. My dog's already going crazy because she likes to bark at every single dog, but everybody's sleeping, so it's got coffee going on right now. The little lights worked awesome, turned on all night. Our Omni lamp was the star of the show last night because it gave us a lot of light to play cards right here on the rug and just chillax. What's on today? Today's just a little. We're gonna have plans just to check out the rest of the campsite, do some hiking. There's a lot of hike trails around here, and yeah, just enjoy outside. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna stay cool. Tonight's gonna get actually really low, which we're excited about. And we should have a good day, hopefully. Hi Mike, we're here today in the Down Under with my buddy Marco.
Dangerous territories. I'm a bear expert. I smell them.
There's no bears in Australia. There she
Crikey,
goes.
mate. But there are crocodilians. And as you can see, Zoinkas, mate. Watch out. Because if you look really close down there, you'll find absolutely nothing.
The Zeldasaurus. I don't know.
What is this wild species? Here we find a wild native. Oh, he's super aggressive. You're gonna go. That's not a very good way to start it off.
Alright, YouTube, well, let's try this again. Hello, YouTube family. How you doing? We're here at Rodman Campground with our family. We're gonna cook something special for you guys today. Look at these babies right over here. For the first time, my first time with them, some certified Wagyu A5 steaks from Japan. It's gonna be nice. We're gonna do it right over here, right on our Coleman grill, on the iron skillet. Keeping it simple. All we're gonna do is Himalayan salt and pepper. Y'all stay tuned. And this is where I proceed to ruin a perfectly good steak.
I haven't lowered the heat. Looking real good back there. I'm going to flip it just because it's a little bit over here. Go ahead and remove the temperature. Go all sides. Alright. And there we are. Hopefully, it's cooked well. Right here on the side, I have some potatoes, some butter and rosemary, a little salt, pepper. I'll grab, bear with me here. That's it. It's cooked to medium. Let's see if it did the trick. Let's see if I cut it in. Move this out. moment of truth. The thermometer says it's medium, but that doesn't look medium to me. But, actually this side does. So, but still, it's gonna be a delicious eat. First time, guys, first time with this, so. Bon appetit. Alright, this is steak number 2. Put it in.
Much better the
I
second
like
time.
the way it browns, but I think I'm gonna give it 3 minutes, no, 4 minutes. I'm gonna give this one 2 minutes first, check it, and then see how well it flip it and see how well it brown on the other side. Cheers. I'm shooting for medium rare. Let's see what comes up here. And this one, I didn't put pepper, I just went straight salt. Alright, on the foot. Okay. Use a little more, but give it another 3 minutes on this side.
Okay, so I had other photos that I wanted to add towards the end, but I couldn't get them uploaded. But had a blast at Rodman Campground with the family. I suggest anybody who wants to go, definitely go check it out. And well, stay tuned to the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll leave you with this steak cook.
1 more time. I'm doing this one slower than the other one. I think I will pick up the heat with this one. I'm flipping every 3 minutes is what I'm flipping for even cook. According to my meter pro, this says it's about 16 minutes remaining. So, while the other one, I think I did it in 5. Actually, just got down to 8 minutes. So, we are moving along. Now 1 more minute to flip. Super tender. 30 seconds on the flip. 6 minutes remaining. Let's want to see if we got a sear on this. Oh, okay, it's good in there. Three minutes remaining to get internal temperature. Like medium well. Actually, medium, sorry. Sorry, medium rare. I'm sorry, apologize. My first time had his medium. And actually, after that first cut that I did down the middle, I looked at it again and the other cuts were right where they needed to be. I just think because the fire's right there in the middle, I didn't move it enough, so that part got a little more cooked than the others.